Hey guys, here's a 52-inch white Sears Hugger ceiling fan. This fan is from January of 1991. There's not too much to say about this fan. I got this in a lot of 3 fans. One of them was a Hampton-made Chatham, the other one was a Hunter Preference, the third one was this. I do have a downrod version of this fan actually. And that fan's from 1988. It's very similar to this, but just on a downrod. Odd thing about it was the other one that I have, the downrod version, was locked up when I got it, and so was this one. But this one freed up pretty well, and it runs okay. Yeah. I'll fire it up on low. Super wobbly up there. The screws don't really fit it right. But I'm assuming the capacitor is going bad on this one as well, since that's about as fast as it goes on low speed. Kicking up to medium. It could still be locked up too. I still do have to do a little bit of work on this one. It did come with a 3-arm light kit, which I promptly removed because I hate them. But smooth a decent amount of air though. Still a lot better than some of the other stuff they sell nowadays. And here's high. Might wobble a little bit. Ooh, excuse me. Move. It's getting chilly in here. One thing about this, it's in very good shape. The blades are in mint condition. There's really no scratches on it at all. It's just your typical builder fan though, Hugger builder fan. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.